Hello everyone, I'm Gabriel from Our Space Design and welcome back to another episode of Basic 7. So today I have a small project on hand to help a dear customer of mine to actually revarnish her coffee tabletop. So as you can tell, right, from this video you can tell that this was actually meant for a indoor use of a coffee tabletop, but because they were using it for outdoors and because of the rough weather terrain and whatnot, you can see that there's actually a lot of scuffing on this tabletop, and you can tell that there are a lot of popping and everything. So today my small project is to restore this by sanding and after that having a epoxy pour over it to give it a protective coating. So I'll see you in a bit later. Okay guys, so I'm done with the sanding down. So as you can tell now, okay, the whole piece of wood is already being sanded down. I've done one round of sanding with a coarser grain. Okay, now I'm going at 320, which is a much finer grain. Okay, so yeah, see you in a bit. One eternity later. Okay guys, so as you probably can tell, what I've done is I've given it a very good and fine polish with a much finer paper, sandpaper. So with that, what it has achieved is actually a finer, smoother touch. And now what I've done is also I've cleaned it up with a slightly damp cloth, as well as given it a good vacuum as well. So the next step would be to epoxy. Okay, so what I have here is actually two separate cans of what we call a PU coating. So PU coating is actually something that's pretty resistant to heat, and it's quite a tough material as well. So usually how it is portioned is that 5 liters of this epoxy with 1 liter of hardener. So depending on how much you will need, I'm estimating that for this top, because it's a pretty small project, all I need is something less than 2 liters, about 1.5 to 2 liters, and that should be fine. So how it work out is half of this with half of this. So I'll see you in a bit. From what you can probably tell, I've actually completed it. So as you can see below here, the table is already being is curing right now. I'll just let it sit for a day. Just make sure that when you're doing this, that the place is well ventilated.